It's time to show you guys every single step it takes to make that beautiful rainbow carrots tahdig you've seen on my feeds. And everybody asked me how it's done, so let's go make it happen. So for our tahdig, we're going to use these beautiful rainbow carrots as I showed you guys. I have peeled them. I'm going to show you how we're going to chop them up. I also have these heirloom carrots that we're going to roast as well as garnish. And my rice will be actually carrots rice. You can buy these rainbow carrots already shredded from most grocery stores here. This is how the packaging looks like. And the rest of my ingredients, I have lots of shallots and onions here that we're gonna saute. Of course, saffron. I have some coconut sugar, turmeric, some pistachios, and some almonds, a little bit of rose water, a little bit of lemon or lime juice, salt and pepper, and avocado oil. To get started, we're going to caramelize our shallots and onions. You can also do just onions or just shallots. It's whatever you prefer. Pinch of salt, and I'm sauteing them in avocado. Rainbow carrots that I had already peeled, I have cut them in half. One of them was thicker, so I cut it in 3 pieces. These are rainbow carrots that come in yellow, purple, white, and orange. So now I'm going to toss some avocado oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of turmeric, and roast in the oven. اینا همه هویجام هستش که پوستشو گرفته بودم. به اینا میگن هویجای رنگین کمانی، سفید، زرد، بنفش، نارنجی، رنگایی هست که میاد. یه مقداری نمک با یه مقدار روغن آووکادو، یه مقدارم زردچوبه. اینا رو همه رو با هم مخلوط میکنیم، میذاریم توی فر. So I'm going to toss it all together, a little bit of turmeric, salt, and avocado oil to pop into the oven to roast for about 15 minutes at 300 degrees. Be sure that your carrots are evenly coated with the avocado oil, salt, and turmeric mixture before popping them into the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Onions and shallots are getting nicely caramelized. I squeezed 1 lime into my shredded carrots, seasoning it with a little bit of salt. I'm using some coconut sugar. You can use regular sugar if you want, or use a little bit of brown sugar. I'm going to toss it all together before transferring it into my caramelized onion and shallots mixture. Carrots are in, tossing in just a pinch of rose water, یه کوچولو گلاب, and some saffron, یه مقداری هم زعفران. We're going to toss it all together, saute it nice. You have the option to add in some walnuts. Today I'm using some almonds and pistachios, but in a previous video of mine making the same dish, I've used walnuts, which work just as great. اگه دوست داشته باشین میتونین یه مقداری گردو بهش اضافه بکنین، گردویی که قبلا خیس کردین و خرد کردین، ولی امروز من دارم خلال بادام و پسته استفاده میکنم. هر دوشو میتونین استفاده کنین یا حتی هر سه. I have my rice cooked al dente. The mixture is going in. We're going to toss it all together gently while we wait for our carrots to get roasted. And make sure to taste for sugar and salt in your mixture in case it needs more of one or the other or both. Carrots are out of the oven. I have a little bit of avocado oil, a little bit of saffron. Topping off our carrots with my rice mixture, rice and carrots mixture. Key is to make sure that you have a non-stick pot. I'm using the Imperial cookware, which will help our tahdig to flip more easily and not get stuck. A little bit of grapeseed oil and some of our saffron water. یه مقدار کمم روغن هسته انگور و زعفران. 45 minutes on low heat. Looks like our rice is ready to be flipped. So let's try it. Here we go. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1.